Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the int function, okay? Don't confuse int with the int function. They are completely different. If I show I'm gonna show you guys that they are completely different. How? I'm gonna use the type function again, and this function is really awesome. Okay, you could check the type of an object in Python. So I'm gonna pass int, and we're gonna see that int is the class type. Okay, class type actually. Yeah, let's just do that again. So if I type int function, we're gonna see that class int, but it is actually um, kind of different, because when you call the int function, it actually has the type int, but it behaves differently. Okay, so to show you guys that, I'm gonna we're gonna create an example, and I'm pretty sure you guys already have this trouble before when you read some age and is actually a string. For instance, let's do that. So if I create a let's create number, which be equal input, enter a number. So if we I'm gonna enter 4, and as you guys can see, number is actually a string. So I don't need a string, I actually need a integer. So how can I convert a string to an integer? So to do that, we have the int function. Pretty easy. Okay, so if we do this, I'm gonna see that number now is a integer. Okay, so just remember to pass some um, often will be a string, okay, a number in form of a string, but I actually could pass a float data type. For instance, I'm gonna pass 4.5, and I'm gonna see that if I convert to the integer data type, I'm gonna see that it have converted to a number 4, because we lose the decimal values when converting a float to a integer. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. See you guys next time.